Okay, so we got stuff mounted to the stand. Got the MPPT solar controller there. Inverter readout there. Got the whatchamacallit. It'll come to me in a second. Thing you plug all the terminals into for the battery. And the inverter. Next, need to hook up some fuses. Okay, here's a site solar panel's gonna go to. Gotta clean it up a little bit. Dig a hole for this conduit to run. And run underneath the house into that room right there. So this should be fun. And we got the trench started. Now to shovel out more dirt, which won't be too hard. It's clay, it's wet. So let's get on that. I figure that's good enough for rocket science. You're not going to space or anything. Gonna have a junction pole distribution box probably right there. Get the solar panels out here and see how long a wire I need. Okay, we got everything hooked up parallel. I had to take apart one of these solar panels to get those boxes side by side. So make sure it's there side by side, or you won't have a long enough wire. Next, we're gonna run the wire down the conduit. We're losing light quickly, but I got it all covered up and ran there at the house. Next step, go under the house. I figure I'm already dirty, why not? This is the hammer lug crimper tool. I'll link it in the description. Take a very big hammer. And there's one cable. I already did the ends. Got 3 more to go. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, Monday morning, about 2 weeks since the beginning of this video. Sun's up. I got PV light and a battery light on the charge controller. I'm not drawing anything because I'm bringing in more than I can use at the moment to test. Here's the current setup. And we got 3 batteries hooked up in parallel with quick disconnects, Anderson quick disconnects, to make it easy to just change out the batteries when I need to use them and plug them in when I want to charge them. This is the app, Charge Pro. You're bringing in 156 watts right now. The sun's just rising. And I'll continue updating this as everything continues, but this project is in the books. It's done. Got 4 panels, 100 watt panels out there, so it should be bringing in 400 watts when the sun's shining right on them. Probably have to adjust them, but yay. Well, we did it. It was an adventure. 2 weeks waiting on parts, but we finally got the solar panels installed and they're working well. I'm excited to see what this could do for my battery bank and my charging my batteries. Put them in parallel with Anderson quick disconnects so I can easily just change them out when I want to use one of the batteries and plug it in to charge it, like for my boat. So this is Jason, Solar Studios KO4 DDG, wishing you good luck on your next project. Be radioactive. 7-3.